Hello students, welcome to my channel. In the previous video I explained you application of trigonometry exercise 1 8 sums, right? So other 8 sums I will explain in this video. So let us see ninth sum. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. That means what you understood here? There was a building and tower. Okay. So see here the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So this one is the building. So I kept building as A, B. Okay. This one has the tower. I kept tower has C, D. Okay. So angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower means this one. Top of the building means this one. So the angle of elevation, how much here? How much? I am drawing here base also. So angle of elevation, how much here? 30 degrees. So I am writing here 30 degrees. Okay. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. Top of the tower means this one. Foot of the building means B. So here how much the angle it was creating? 60 degrees. So what he said to find, if the tower is 50 meter high, that means the height of the tower how much he gave? 50 meters. Okay, so find the height of the building. He asked to find the height of the building means AB. Okay, so let us see first what we have to take. We know that, see, in this triangle you only know angle of elevation, but in this triangle you know angle of elevation and also height of the tower. That means here you have two data, right? When you have two information, you can easily find another value. For example, I have here opposite side, I have here angle, I want this side, adjacent side, because this base is same for this triangle and this triangle. So it was important to find this one. No need of finding hypotenuse. That means I want here opposite and adjacent. Where it will be? In the tan. So angle of this triangle is here. That means 60 degree. That means tan 60 equal to opposite means what? CD by adjacent means what? BD. Okay. So tan 60 means root 3. So CD means what here? 50 by BD means we don't know. We have to find. Okay. So I want BD value. So transpose BD to left side and transpose root 3 to right side. Then what you will get? BD equal to 50 by root 3. Okay. Now what you have to find here? Height of the building. Here you know the base. How much? 50 by root 3. You know here, and in this triangle the angle you know how much? 30 degree. So you want this side means opposite side. You know here adjacent side. You know here angle. You have to find out opposite side. Then again what you have to write? Tan 30 equal to opposite side means what here? AB by adjacent side means BD. Okay. So AB how much? We don't know. By BD how much? 50 by root 3. Okay. So here tan 30 means how much value? So tan 30 means what here? 1 by root 3 equal to AB into 50 by root 3. If it was in division, right? If it comes in multiplication, the denominator will become what? Reciprocal. root 3 by 50. Okay. So now what you want from here? AB. So I transpose root 3 by 50 to left side. Then what you will get? 1 by root 3 into 50 by root 3. So if root 3 by 50 came this side, it will be reciprocal, equal to AB. So 50 by root 3 into root 3, how much? 3, equal into, you can write this one in mixed fraction, right? 3, 16, 2. So 16, 2 by 3. This is nothing but height of the building. Okay. So height of the building is 16, 2 by 3 meters. Understood? Next sum. So next, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other and either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So first what he said, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other either side of the road. So I draw two poles which are equal height. So I kept it as A, B, C, D. Okay. So either side of the road, that means BD means what? Road. Okay. So AB and CD have same height. They are poles. Okay. So next what he said, either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. So the road length how much given? 80 meters. Next, from a point between them on the road. So between them on the roads means midpoint of this road. Okay. So the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation one was 60 degree and from between them on the road another angle of elevation was 30 degree. Understood? So what he said to find? Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. That means he said to find AB. Okay. If you find AB equal to CD, so automatically you will get CD. And also he was asking from this point, if I kept this point as O. Okay. I kept this point as O. That means he was asking BO. From the point to one end, what is the length he was asking. Okay. So let us first find out the heights of the pole. So you know you have here two triangles, two right angle triangles. So first let us take this triangle. One angle you have 60. Okay, you have to find out height of the pole means opposite side and also you have to find the adjacent side. So what I am doing, we know that tan 60 equal to AB by BO. Okay. So tan 60 value how much? Root 3 equal to AB by BO. Okay. So I want BO, then I sent BO this side. I sent root 3 this side. So AB by root 3. BO equal to AB by root 3. Keep it as 1. Okay. So next I took another triangle OCD. In the OCD what angle you know? 30 degree. That means tan 30 degree equal to tan 30 means opposite by adjacent. That means CD by OD. So for 30 degree opposite means what? CD. For 30 degree adjacent side means what? OD. So tan 30 equal to CD by OD. So tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3 equal to CD means don't know. So write down CD by OD means, so from this point to this point length if you have to find, you know BD. From the BD you have to minus BO. Okay. then you will get what? OD. OD equal to BD minus BO. Okay, in the total length, if you minus BO, remaining what? OD. So, in the place of OD, what you can write? BD minus BO. Okay, now what you will do? Cross multiply. Okay, then what you will get? BD minus BO equal to root 3 CD. Okay, so you know that in the starting of the question what he gave? Two poles of equal heights. That means AB equal to CD. So in the place of CD you can write what? AB. Okay. So BD minus BO. So in BO means what here? BO equal to AB by root 3. Substitute this here. Okay. So BD minus BO means AB by root 3 equal to root 3. Here CD means what? In the starting of the question you know that two poles are equal heights. That means AB equal to CD. So in the place of CD you can write what? AB. That means AB equal to CD. Height of the poles are equal. Okay. Now what I did? I sent this one to right side. Then what you will get? BD equal to root 3 AB plus AB by root 3. Okay. So BD equal to, if you take AB common, then what you will get? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay. So I wrote this one reverse. AB root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equal to BD. So from the diagram you know BD means what? 80. So substitute here AB into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equal to BD means how much? 80. Length of the road. Okay. Now AB into LCM what here? Root 3. So here nothing is there. 1 into root 3 into root 3 into 1 into 1. That means root 3 into root 3 how much? 3. Plus 1 into 1? 1 equal to 80. Okay. So AB equal to 3 plus 1 how much? 4 by root 3 equal to 80. Okay. So AB into 4 by root 3 equal to 80. Now what you will do? Transpose this 4 by root 3 to right side. Then what you will get? AB equal to 80 into root 3 by 4. That means 20. So AB equal to 20 root 3 meters. That means height of the pole how much came? 20 root 3 meters. So AB equal to CD. So this also 20 root 3. Okay. So next what he asked to find? The distance of the point from the poles. That means distance from this point to B, from to the pole, or this point to this. So this BO equal to OD, right? Because center of the road only the angle of elevation takes place. That means it divides the road into two equal parts. So BO equal to OD. You can find out BO or OD. So I said you before, if you want OD, that means BD minus BO. Right? So BD means what here? BD means what here? 80 meters minus BO means what here? AB by root 3. Okay. So AB how much you got here? 20 root 3. Substitute there. So 80 meters minus AB means 20 root 3 by root 3. If root 3 cancel, how much you will get? 80 minus 20. That means 60 meters. So OD how much? 60 meters. So OB also 60 meters. So by this what you found? So by this what you got? The height of the poles are 20 root 3 meter and distance between pole and point on the road is 60 meters. Understood? Next question. So next, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 meter. Find the height of the tower and the width of a canal. See, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So I took a TV tower has a straight line and I kept it as A, B. Okay. So it was at the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So from a point on the other bank which was directly opposite to this tower. Okay. So from here when you see the top of the tower, how much angle you got here from the foot of the perpendicular, how much angle it was created? 60 degree. Okay. So I drawn the foot of the perpendicular. This one nothing but the distance between this bank and this tower. Okay. So next what he asked, from another point 20 meter away from this point, from another point 20 meters away from this point, that means 20 meter away another point it was created. Okay. So from this point, from another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. So when you I drawn from here 20 meter away means 20 meter after I drawn one point here. This point it will connect to the foot of the tower. Okay. So here the angle of elevation to the top of the tower, how much it created? The angle of elevation here 30 degree. Okay. So I kept it as C, I denote it as D. Okay. So this one 30 degrees, this one 60 degrees. So what he said to find? Find the height of the tower. So he said to find AB. Okay. And the width of the canal. So this one is the width of the canal. Okay. So this one is the river bank and this one at the width means at the corner of the canal it was one tower was there. That means the width of the tower nothing but BC. Okay. So you have to find out BC and also you have to find out height of the tower AB. Okay. So I kept this CD has 20 meters. Okay, we know this information. So first we have to find the height of the tower. So before going to find the height of the tower, first let us take the triangle ABC. Okay, if you take ABC triangle, then you will get here AB. Then take ABD. So let us do first. We know that in triangle ABC, okay, so angle how much here? 60 degree. So tan 60. Why I took tan? It was height and it was bank of the canal, means length of the canal. So I want AB and BC. That's why I took tan 60 equal to AB by BC. Okay. So tan 60 how much here? Root 3. Root 3 equal to AB by BC. Okay. Now we'll take the triangle ABD, the big triangle. In triangle ABD. Okay. So here in triangle ABD, what is the angle you know here? Tan 30 degree. Okay. So you know 30 degree here. Now I have to find height of the pole. That means AB. So AB opposite side. For 30 degree opposite side means AB. For 30 degree adjacent side means BD. So tan 30 equal to AB by BD. Understood? So in triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to AB by BD. So see here, BD means what? BC plus CD, right? So see here, tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BD means how much you wrote that? BC plus CD. Okay, BD means BC plus CD. Okay, so 1 by root 3 equal to AB by, so you know that here BC, here it was BC was there, you can get from this equation BC value. How? Transpose this BC to this side, root 3 to this side, then what you will get? BC equal to AB by root 3. Substitute this here. Okay, substitute here. BC equal to how much you got? AB by root 3 plus CD. CD means how much here? CD means you know length 20 meters. So I wrote here directly 20. Okay. Now what you will do? 1 by root 3 equal to AB by, take LCM, how much you will get? Root 3. AB plus, here into 1 into 1. Here nothing is there, 1 into root 3 into root 3. That means 20 root 3. If this root 3 came up, what will become? AB root 3 by AB plus 20 root 3. So 1 by root 3 equal to AB root 3 by AB plus 20 root 3. Now what you will do? Cross multiplication. Then what you will get? AB plus 20 root 3 into 1. That means how much you will get here? AB plus 20 root 3. AB plus 20 root 3 into 1 means AB plus 20 root 3 equal to root 3 into AB root 3. Root 3 into AB root 3. Okay. So AB plus 20 root 3 equal to root 3 into root 3, 3. That means 3 AB. Okay. Now I transpose this AB to right side. Then what you will get here? 20 root 3 equal to, I transpose AB to right side. 3AB minus AB. Okay. So 20 root 3 equal to 3 minus 1 how much? 2AB. Okay. So I want AB, I send 2 to left side. Then what you will get? 20 root 3 by 2 equal to AB. So 2 in this how many times? 10. That means AB equal to how much? 10 root 3. Okay. So here you got AB, height of the tower how much? 10 root 3. Okay. Now you want here what? BC. Right? So now you want here BC, right? So BC means how much here? BC equal to AB by root 3. So substitute here. BC equal to AB by root 3. Equal to AB means how much? 10 root 3 by root 3. Okay. Root 3 cancel. 10 meters. So BC how much? 10 meters. Okay. So therefore the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters and the width of the canal is 10 meters. The width means 10 meters. Understood? Next sum. So there was a 7-meter high building. So I drawn 7-meter high building here. Okay, 7 meters. That building I named it as AB. Okay, so angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. That means on the top of the building the person was standing here and he was watching top of the tower. That means tower was top of the tower here. Okay, so that means the tower starts from here. So I drawn the tower. I denote it as another straight line, and this one is the top of the tower. From here, from the top of the building, he was watching top of the tower with the angle how much? 60 degree. So I drawn here base and 60 degree, because from the observer eye this one is the base. Okay, so next what he said, the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Angle of depression means this person was watching in downward direction. He was watching from downward direction. Okay, so that means this one, see, angle of depression means always the observer and eyesight. Okay, so angle of depression will be always lie between the observer eye. This one is the observer eye. I drawn one straight line and line of sight, means he was watching downward. So here the angle it was created how much? 45 degree. So this one is the foot of the building and foot of the tower I am added, joined here. Okay, and I kept C, D. So observe here, you learn that interior alternate angles are always equal. That means this one and this one how much? 45 degrees. Got, because alternate interior angles are always equal. Okay, so this one was 7 meters. So I kept it as E. Understood? So now what he asked to find? He asked to find the height of the tower. That means CD he asked to find. Okay, so let us see here. So let first we have to take ABD triangle. Okay, if why I took ABD triangle? Because you know one side and you know one angle. So automatically you will get what? BD. If you get BD, BD equal to AE. Understood? So let us do first. We know that here you have opposite side, here you want adjacent side. So which angle you have to use here? Tan. So tan 45 equal to AB by BD. Okay, so tan 45 value how much? 1. AB value how much? 7 by BD value don't know. So BD. Transpose this BD this side, what you will get? BD equal to 7 meters. So BD equal to 7 meters. And we know that BD equal to AE equal to 7 meters. Right? BD equal to AE 7 meters. And AB equal to ED. See here, the line I drawn here means from here to here how many meters? 7 meters. So ED also 7 meters. That means AB equal to ED equal to 7 meter. So half of the tower you got. Next what you have to find out? CE you have to find out. So now which triangle I have to take? ACE triangle I took. So in triangle ACE, see here I want CE. I know AE length how much here? 7 meters. AE how much here? 7. So I want CE. Opposite by adjacent means tan 60. Tan 60 equal to, for 60 opposite means what? CE by adjacent means what? AE. Okay, so tan 60 value how much? Root 3 equal to C don't know. So write down C by AE how much? 7 meters. Write down here 7. So transpose this one this side, what you will get? 7 root 3 equal to CE. That means CE equal to 7 root 3. So CE how much you got? 7 root 3. Half tower 7 root 3, other half tower 7 meters. So total height of the tower means CE plus ED. So CD equal to CE plus ED. That means 7 root 3 plus 7. So you can take common what? 7. If you take common 7, root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay. So the height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Understood? Next. Has observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, so he said that there was a 75-meter high lighthouse. So I denote it as straight line. That is nothing but 75 meter. Okay, I named it as AB. Okay, so at the top of a 70-meter height lighthouse, one person was standing. So he was seeing down. So what he said, angle of depression. Angle of depression means that person was watching down. So that person was standing here. That means first we have to draw here the observer where he was standing from his eye, straight line I have to draw. So first the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So first one angle, how much here he created? Angle of depression, how much he created? 30 degree he created. Okay, next angle of depression, how much he created? 45 degree. That means he was watching here one ship and here one ship. Okay. So when he was watching from here to this shape with the angle of depression 30 degrees, when he was watching here this shape, the angle of depression is 45 degrees. Understood? Now I drawn here straight line. Okay, so A, B, C, D I kept. So observe here, in the previous class I said that alternate interior angles are equal. So this one how much? 30 degree, right? So see here, that means this one is 30 degrees because alternate angles are equal. Now this angle is 45, right? So this angle is equal to this angle, 45 degrees. Understood? So angle of depression always you have to find out like this. Elevation means directly at down only. But angle of depression will create at the observer, because the observer will at the top of the building. So angle of depression, angle will create here. When angle was created here, so with the help of interior angle you can create here, you can make that two angles equal and you can write here also angle. Then you can easily find out. Okay. So next. So if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, so one ship is exactly back of another ship and also it was same side of lighthouse. Which side lighthouse was there? That side only the ship was there. Then find the distance between the two ships. That means he was asking CD. Understood? So before finding this one, first let us find out ABC. Okay. If you in the triangle ABC, you know one side and you know one angle, then you will get what? BC. Then take triangle ABD. You know one side and you know one angle, then you will get BD. From the BD, if you minus BC, you will get CD here. Okay, let us do. We know that in triangle ABC, okay, so this angle you know opposite side, you know want adjacent side. That means what you will write? Tan 45 degree equal to AB by BC. So tan 45 means 1 equal to AB means 75. BC means we don't know. So BC. So if you send BC this side, BC equal to 75 meter. That means BC how much you got? 75. Now take triangle ABD. Okay. So in triangle ABD, you know AB side and you know angle, right? You want what? BD. That means tan 30 equal to AB by BD. Okay. So tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3 equal to AB by C. So BD means what here? BD equal to BC plus CD, right? So substitute here BD means BC plus CD. Now what you will do? Cross multiply. Okay, next. So if you cross multiply, what you will get? BC plus CD equal to AB root 3. So BC how much you know? 75. Plus CD don't know. So CD equal to AB how much? AB how much here? 75. So substitute here. 75 root 3. So you want CD, right? Send 75 to right side. What you will get? CD equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. So CD equal to, if you take 75 common, root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay. So therefore the distance between the two shapes is 75 root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay, 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. So what is said here? A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon. Means the girl height how much? 1.2. So I drawn here one small line, that is 1.2 meters. Okay. So I gave name CD. Okay. So that girl was seeing a balloon moving with a wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. So one balloon was flying at the wind. Okay. So height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2 meters. Okay. So the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. So at this instant, the angle of the, for example, here the balloon was there. For example, here the balloon was there. He was watching it. So the angle of elevation, angle how much we create here? Angle how much we create here? 60 degree. That means here 60 degree. But see here, the balloon was at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. So this one is ground. The person was standing here. His eye was here. Okay. So we have to draw straight line from the observer eye. Right. So from here only he was watching the balloon. So here angle will create 60 degree. Understood? So next what he was saying, after some time the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. So after some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree means the angle, it was 60 degree, right? So it was reduced to 30 degree because the balloon traveled some distance. It went little far. That's why it looks like, so that's why the angle was decreased. Okay. So here also the balloon at the same height, it was moving in the straight line. Okay. So this one is ground. So here the observer eye. So we have to draw straight line. From here it was 30 degree angle of elevation. Okay. This one is the diagram. Now what I will do, I am giving names to this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, I gave the names like this. Now what he said to find? Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So from here to here, during the interval, how much the balloon was traveled, how much distance he was asking. That means he was asking easy. Okay. So let us find out first CE. If you find out CE, so you can minus DH minus CE. So we have to find what? EG. That means from here to here how much distance it travel. Okay. So first let us find out CG and CE. You can minus from CG, CE, then you will get answer. So this one also height how much? 8.2 total BH. Okay. Now let us take first triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, we know that in triangle ACE, so angle what? 60 degree. You know opposite side, right? So you have to find out adjacent side, means CE. So what you will write? Tan 60 equal to AE by EC, right? So see here, tan 60 value how much? Root 3 equal to AE how much? We know AF, but we don't know AE. But you know EF, right? From AF, if you minus EF, you will get AE. So EF is nothing but the height of the tall gun. Okay. So AE means what? AF minus EF by EC. Okay. So next, root 3 equal to AF means how much here? 88.2 minus EF means 1.2 by EC. Okay. So root 3 equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 means 87 by EC. Okay. So next you want EC here. Transpose EC to left side. Transpose root 3 to right side. Then what you will get? 87 by root 3. Now what you will do? Rationalize. Root 3 into root 3. Okay, how much you will get? 87 root 3 by 3. Okay, 3 in this how many times? 29 times. So 29 root 3 is nothing but EC. So EC means this one. EC how much you got? 29 root 3. Okay. Now what you will do? Take now triangle BCG. Okay. Now what you will do? Take triangle BCG. In triangle BCG, so you know one side, you want this full adjacent side. Okay. You know this angle, that means what you will write? Tan 30 equal to BG by GC. Okay. So tan 30 equal to BG means BH minus GH. Okay, you know BH total height and the tall girl height GH. If you minus it, you will get BG. That means BG means BH minus GH by GC. So tan 30 means how much value here? 1 by root 3 equal to BH means how much here? 88.2 minus GH means how much here? 1.2 by GC. So that means how much you will get here? 1 by root 3 equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 means 87 GC. Now transpose like this. Then what you will get? GC into 1 GC 87 root 3. Okay. So this is the answer of GC. Full. Okay. So the full adjacent side. But you want here what? How much distance traveled by balloon from this point to this point, right? You know now CZ, you know CE, my CZ minus CE you will get easy. Okay, so write down here. You want what? Easy. So CZ minus CE equal to, so CZ how much you got here? CZ or GC both are same. Okay, 87 root 3 minus EC how much you got here? 29 root 3. So both have same root, so you can subtract here. So 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3 how much here? 58 root 3. So that means what? The distance traveled by balloon is 58 root 3 meters. Understood? Next sum. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car has an angle of depression of 30 degree. So there was a tower. Okay. So I denote the tower in a straight line. So what happened? The person was standing, a man was standing on the top of the tower, observes a car has an angle of depression. That means he was at the top of the tower, he was watching the car which was here. Okay. So the angle of depression, how much it created? 30 degrees. So the observer was here. So from his eye, I have to draw here straight line. Okay. So I joined this point to foot of the tower. Here how much angle it was created? Here how much created? 30 degree. That means this one also 30 degree. Okay. So next what he said? So which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, what will happen? The angle of depression, how much here? It was 60 degrees after 6 seconds. So find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. That means he was asking from this point to this point to reach this car to foot of the tower, how much time it will take. Okay, so from here to here it took how much? 6 seconds. From here to here how much he was asking. So angle of depression, this one how much total? 60. So if this one 60, alternate angles are equal, so this one also 60. Now we have to find out this one. So let us give the name A, B, C, D. We have to find out what? BD. Okay. So first let us take ABD triangle. Okay. First let us take ABD triangle. We know that in triangle ABD, AB by BD equal to tan 60. Tan 60 equal to opposite means AB by adjacent means BD. Okay. So tan 60 value how much? Root 3 equal to. So AB means how much here? We don't know. By BD means how much here? So also we don't know. That's why root 3 equal to AB by BD. So you have to find out BD, right? So I transpose BD to left side and root 3 to right side. Then what you will get? BD equal to AB by root 3. Keep it as 1. Okay. Now what you will take? Full triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle A, B, C. So in full triangle, this angle how much? 30 degree. That means tan 30 degree equal to opposite side means AB by adjacent side means BC. So tan 30 equal to AB by BC. Tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BC. Okay. So 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BC means how can you write? BC means BD plus DC. So that one only I substitute here, BD plus DC. So 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BD means how much? AB by root 3 from equation 1 plus DC. Okay. So now what you will get? Now 1 by root 3 equal to AB by, take LCM here, how much you will get? Root 3. Here into 1 into 1. That means AB into root 3 into root 3. That means plus root 3 DC. Okay. Now what you will do here? Reciprocal. That means 1 by root 3 equal to AB by AB root 3 by AB plus root 3 DC. Now what you will do? Cross multiplication. 1 into AB plus root 3 DC equal to root 3 into AB root 3. Root 3 means how much? 3. That means 3AB. Okay. So now send this AB that side. Root 3 DC equal to 3AB minus AB. So root 3 DC equal to 3AB minus AB means 2AB. Okay. DC equal to 2AB by root 3. So root 3 in multiplication, if it came to right side, divisor. Okay. So DC how much you got here? 2AB root 3. So 2AB root 3 distance it travel, but it take time 6 seconds to travel the 2AB. So for traveling DB how much time it took means, see here, 2AB by root 3 distance traveled in 6 seconds. Then DB equal to, DB means how much? AB by, DB means how much? AB by root 3. Okay. So DB means how much? AB by root 3. So DC 2AB by root 3 it took 6 seconds. 2AB by root 3 it took 6 seconds. Then AB by root 3 how much time it will take? He was asking. So DB means AB by root 3 equal to how much time means 2AB 6 by 2AB by root 3 into AB by root 3. Okay. So 2AB root 3 6 seconds. In 1 second how much means? 6 by 2AB, 6 by 2AB root 3. Then 1 AB by root 3 means into AB by root 3. Cancel AB by root 3, AB by root 3. How much you will get? 6 by 2. How much you will get? 3. So it took 3 seconds. This one is the last sum in this exercise. See here, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. So there was one tower. Okay. So from the base there was 2 angle of elevations. 2 angle of elevation. From this point he was watching tower, and from this point he was watching this tower. So this one, how much length it was? 4 meters. So total length how much? From here to this point length how much? 9 meter. Okay, so from here to this point 4 meters, from here to this point 9 meter. So I am giving names here A, B, C, D. Okay, so what he said to find here? In the same straight line with it are complementary. So these two are complementary angles. That means sum of this angle and this angle are 90 degree. For suppose if you keep theta, this one, for suppose this angle is theta, then this angle 90 minus theta, right? So you add it 90 minus theta plus theta, minus theta plus theta cancel, how much? 90. So sum of these two angles are 90. So I took one angle is theta, we don't know, that's why I took theta. Another angle 90 minus theta. Okay, so now what he said, prove that height of the tower is 6 meters. So he was saying that to prove AB is 6 meters. Okay, so first let us take this one, ABC. So we know that in triangle ABC, okay, tan theta, angle is how much? Tan. So you want AB, you know adjacent, that's why I took like this, equal to AB by BC, okay, equal to AB by BC means 4. So tan theta equal to AB by 4. Okay, so next we have to take ABD triangle, the full triangle. In triangle ABD, okay, so tan 90 minus theta equal to, tan 90 minus theta means AB by BD, AB by BD, opposite by adjacent. Okay, so tan 90 means it convert into cot, and 90 minus means it was in first quadrant, so it will be positive. In first quadrant all are positive, so cot theta is positive. I am not keeping any symbol. Now AB by BD means total length how much? 9. So cot theta is nothing but AB by 9. Keep it as 1, keep it as 2. Now what you will do? Multiply equation 1 and equation 2. That means tan theta into cot theta equal to AB by 4 into AB by 9. Okay, so tan theta into cot theta means how much value? 1, right? Tan theta into cot theta means 1 by tan theta. Tan theta cancel, answer is 1, equal to AB into AB means AB square. 4 into 9 means 4 9s are 36. If you transpose this here, 36 into 1, 36. Transpose 36 to left side, 36 into 1, 36, equal to AB square. Okay, so AB square equal to 36. If you transpose square to this side, root will be. That means AB equal to root 36. That means AB equal to 6. Root 36 value is 6. So it was proved that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, it was proved 6 meters AB. Understood? So by this the application of trigonometry concept completed. I think everyone understood the problems very clearly. I explained, right? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want any concept, please comment me. I will definitely explain you.